Come here, come here, come here, come here.
All right, hey, brush your teeth, please.
Cheese. Cheese. I said cheese.
Yes.
Who did that? Kim did. Whoa, it just shoved me.
Oh.
I have to finish. Well, you can finish it after you start my final. You're on my time now. Okay, you need to separate.
What the heck was that?
God, Carson, the turkey's gonna get you. It's flying.
I think he's disgusting.
Yeah. I didn't realize I grabbed Matt's job.
Here, open it. Open it.
Go ahead and open it.
Open it.
It won't hurt you.
Come here.
No, I want to take it out. I want it to be a show. This is not even a show.
These kids acting like they pulling a rope across the street. Look at it, they stopping cars, guys. Stop. But they think they pulling a rope across the street. yeah, to get out and look.
Ready? One finger. Yep, got it. Hurry up. Ready? Now go! You! Back up there.
I don't know. What do you think?
Get serious.
Oh. You're funny. El otro,
Over there. No, not
en
that
el otro, en el otro.
Is this one still been
Look at him. Here you go.
Stop moving.
There she comes. Wait for it.
Zane's gonna get it. She's gonna get it.
Good. Keep grilling. All right.
Tegan's first fish.
What you think of the car wash? Huh? What you think of the car wash?
No, the window went down.
friend. Holy cow.
Why do you swing like that?
You gotta lift up the little thing.
Happy Thanksgiving, baby.
Gobble gobble.
Till you wobble.
Was it scary, Landon?
What the heck? Oh, napping.
Good morning, let's go. Fast, fast.
Gonna be elbow me.
Aiden.
Run over stuff.
I'm just kidding. We really do have to go to the doctor to get your flu shot.
What?
Yeah, because your mom's just texted me right now.
Really?
Yeah, right.
No! Please!
Please.
Please, or I'll run away.
You're gonna run away?
Yes.
Where are you gonna run to?
Please don't. Please don't. Oh, you're tricking me.
That we made for Daddy.
Oh, cool, man.
You guys are excited?
I'm gonna lick it. I'm going to do it.
Robin, what is this? Robin!
It's getting stone cold. And the reveal gift is right behind you.